Major causes of cancer to take note of. 1. Genetic mutations. Cancer can be caused by mutations in genes that regulate cell growth and division. 2. Environmental factors. Exposure to certain chemicals, pollutants, viruses, and radiation can increase the risk of cancer. 3. Lifestyle factors. Certain habits, such as smoking, heavy alcohol consumption, poor diet, and lack of physical activity, have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. 4. Age. The risk of cancer increases with age as the genetic mutations accumulate over time. 5. Family history. Some cancers can be inherited, and a family history of cancer can increase the risk of developing certain types of cancer. 6. It's important to note that having one or more of these risk factors does not guarantee that a person will develop cancer. On the other hand, many people with multiple risk factors never develop the disease. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button. Thank you.